Here we go.
Hey.
Hi.
We're venturing through Antarctica. Apparently.
On our way to the DC, and that was a major close-up of me. Probably saw it my nose, but whatever.
What? Saw the icicles forming?
Yeah. Because it's that cold. You can barely see. Look at all the snow. This is so going off Facebook.
We don't blend in very well. The natives could attack us at any moment.
So true. We should have dressed in like Eskimo suits. I like how I'm not even walking on the sidewalk. Are there sidewalks in Antarctica?
I feel like there aren't.
I feel like there aren't either. The natives must have made them.
There are toboggan indents
or maybe
from where the penguins.
Maybe it's just ice and not cement, and I just think that it's cement.
Toboggan. It's a really great word.
It is a great word.
Emily, toboggan. Slide on your stomach.
Slide on your stomach. Like a penguin. Ah, it's cold!
Since when do they have fire hydrants in Antarctica?
I don't know. Are there such things as fire and snow?
I don't. That's where you sit on.
Look at that lovely tower in the background. It must be their tribal, I don't know, thing.
Totem pole?
Yeah. The totem pole of Antarctica. How majestic.
Do we dare venture into one?
Into the cave?
We have to explore their cave.
We have to explore the caves. Let's do it. Enter the cave. Whoa, it opens by itself.
We're ridiculous.
Yeah, we are, but it's fun.
Significantly warmer in here.
Look at the natives.
They're primitive art forms.
Wow. Interesting.
Self-portrait, perhaps?
Cooking utensil?
Look at this. There's danger.
Their tractor?
Danger.
Uh-oh.
Danger.
Danger.
It opens, guys. If it's that dangerous, they would lock it, but turns out they don't. This is how the natives get their food. You see this contraption here, they would stick it on the end of the ice and attach this little piece of twine and with little bits of their food. When their babies would die, they would chop up their babies and put them on here, or the same thing with their family, pet huskies, and that's how they get their food.
That's interesting.
Horrible.
They're cannibalistic.
No, not really, because the fish eat them.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense.
But then they eat the fish.
This must be the leaders. The elders of the thing.
Clan.
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. This is a very interesting
What
cave.
about the plants here? Plants.
They grow inside caves.
Wow. Plants.
Careful, they might be poisonous.
Oh gosh.
Stay away from me. You're condemned to die, not me.
How do we get out of here?
I feel like there's light coming from this end.
I feel like you're right. Whoa, you have like Jedi powers.
You have to be very careful.
We don't want them to attack.
What is that?
Whoa. It must be their wizard. Interesting.
Let's not stay around this part of the cave.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared. It's kind of creepy.
It's so quiet.
It's so eerie.
Look, I told you they sell people.
They sell people. Look.
300F.
What's F?
Is that holy water right there?
Holy water? Holy water?
Lick it.
Did you really?
I'm poisoned. I've licked that stuff before, so.
Lemony. Lemony. Lemony holy water.
Well, I'm not dead yet, so we might be safe. What if? Do we know if they're friendly?
I don't know.
We don't know if
Look
they're
at the
friendly.
pictures.
That's kind of weird.
That is kind of
Hieroglyphics, I mean.
hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics. Ooh. What's this mean? If music be the food of love. Interesting.
Wait. They seem to know us.
They seem to know us. Oh no. How do we know them?
How do we communicate?
How do we communicate?
Go hit it.
Go hit it.
It appears to be trying to communicate with me.
It's trying to, it's like an alien
It
language.
knows my name.
How does it know your name?
I'm gonna have to try to use my very small skills in this Antarctic language.
I'm not a freaking
Communicate.
What is it?
Don't get too close.
Okay.
I bite.
Hello!
Swick says hello. Bark.
How are you today?
I'm gonna throw something at you. This is my only time to talk to my boyfriend, and you are annoying me.
They seem hostile.
Oh no.
Why?
We might need to go. Be careful, she might attack.
I will attack!
I barely made it out of their life. Let's move on. We've established that they are no longer friendly.
Now, I think we're lost.
Maybe.
Emily, I thought you knew where you were going. You're the cave expert.
Whoa. It seems to be that they have huge butts.
They can glide around with their butts. That's why she was sitting down. Wait, they've got caves. Caves inside their caves. Cages.
Why do they have cages?
Human musical instruments.
Or briefcases of money. Or both.
Didn't work. I can't remember my own self. Careful. I don't want to get attacked again.
Yeah, that was scary. I'm confused. Where are we at?
Now we venture out.
Adventurers never know.
True. What's the point of the adventure if you don't know where you, if you know where you are? Whoa. It's a native.
Must cover my head.
Ah, we're surrounded by natives. We gotta be quiet so they don't get offended. We don't want people to get offended by us calling them natives. Because that's politically incorrect.
Apparently. Antarcticans? Is that what we're called?
Antarcticans. There's a small one. There's a small little beast.
Does it have a stick on its head?
Or maybe it's a feather.
What's that? They drive primitive machines.
They do.
Using their hands and feet.
Interesting. This is such an interesting crew.
The wind seems to be howling as if it were displeased by our presence.
It probably is. We're probably a disgrace to all.
Don't touch it!
What is that?
The remains.
It's the remains of a native. The backbone
What's this?
and the arm. It seems to be that they're as tall
there
as
was a rope
Emily.
there for a reason. This is their sacred burial plot.
Ah! Sacred!
You're gonna die.
We're gonna you just cursed us. We're gonna all fall over now.
We'll never make it.
We'll never make it alive.
We're all gonna die!
Ah! I can't see anything. It's
What does that lead to?
hell. Maybe that goes into that room that says danger. Maybe they have a dragon in there. There's a dragon in there. Ah!
They had dragons in Antarctica?
How do you think they melt the snow? That's where they get their
Coming
ice.
from behind us. The natives were getting restless.
We might want to hurry. Look at these.
Inscriptions on the vehicles.
Interesting. Native light posts.
They're probably beacons of warning.
Probably.
Like how aquatic fish aquatic fish? Are there any other kind?
You know, there's the airfish.
Like how fish with bright colors are poisonous to ward off their, or maybe that's frogs.
I think that's frogs.
It is, but fish also do the same thing to warn. They're just not usually poisonous, but some of them are. Pufferfish, poison.
Because if they like expand in your throat, you die.
That's the noise they make. They go.
It's like on SpongeBob where they go, "How are you doing today?"
At rock bottom. I'm ashamed that I know that. Guys, I just almost died. I just almost died. I've only just saved my life.
Oh no!
Kind of midget.
How'd you almost die?
There seems to be some sort of booby trap devices hidden under the snow deep within.
No.
So something grabbed my foot and held me, and I almost fell backwards. But Emily pried me loose.
Emily's a hero.
Emily should walk first so that we know if it's safe. Not right there. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Hi.
Speaking to us.
The natives are speaking to us.
This one looks different.
Yeah.
This one looks different. What?
Can you understand what he's saying?
Walk right there.
A little bit.
Don't walk there.
Are you starting to understand the native language?
That seems to be how they run.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we should blend in. They're making weird noises. Is that their mating call?
It must be, but there's two men and one woman. They're fighting over her. Whoever can slide the longest and squawk the loudest will win her affection forever. But I don't think they mate for life. Do they?
I don't know.
Because that other woman we encountered was clearly without a mate. Or her mate was too far away and on some sort of hearing device.
Yeah.
She was very agitated. She was not.
Whoa! I almost fell in the...
Careful.
Something grabbed my foot.
They hide in the snow.
They hide in the snow. That's scary. Look. It's like crawling across the ground.
Listen.
Ground.
What is that? Is that their feeding call?
I guess. Maybe we're walking to our doom. This is way too long for Facebook. I'll just put it on YouTube.
There you go.
And post a link. I mean,
If we make it there.
yeah, if we make it back, our scientific journal will be on YouTube.
We're very scientific. What's that?
Oh, it's got like,
Drag their corpses. Oh god, she's gonna touch it.
you're gonna touch it? What? Oh, did it do anything? Is it safe?
I think so.
Okay, I think we're good.
I don't know. We're not there yet. Oh my god. Something's coming at us.
We might want
Slowly but surely. It's blending into the snow.
Just don't make eye contact.
I can see
Don't make eye contact.
Its eyes are so bright.
Ah! Don't make eye contact. It's like a bear. You know how you have to like not make eye contact with them and not run, because then they view it as a threat.
Oh, someone fell. Oh no. Was picked up by someone with a very furry man.
Very furry.
Very furry.
Furry native. Brr, it's kind of cold out here. My hands are starting to freeze.
How do the natives?
How do the natives survive in such little clothing?
It must be all the human blood they drink.
I guess. Well, looks like we've made it, guys.
Thank you.
This has been an adventure with... What's the name of our group again?
I don't know.
You know.
Us.
We'll
Team
tune in.
Awesome.
Team
Go.
Awesome. Woo!